No, one. Here I know it will cancel, but I don't know whether it is connected to this. Can you see that? It's live. I'm seeing Srimad Bhagavatam Hindi 3 p.m. live. And you have gone. You have stopped, no? No, you are there, but one live streaming, one upcoming. What does it says? So it works. Both are live. Both are live. From other one. No, no, but how? I cannot log into two Zooms at the same time. No? A lot of systems are there, but you want me to do all this? Oh, just by admin it will work. Huh? Simply we were a brand account, this account. That brand also we can do later. Now it should work. It should work. That is don't worry about. That you have to do. That is figure out. Now from where you went? From here, you have to see. That can be corrected. No, you're not given the proper stream key. No? You should have collected from that. See what happens when a YouTube, because both the channels are with me. When you go there, you have to be careful. You may see something, but that is not the channel you are on that time. On the right and top of side, it shows actually which channel you are at. Taken up. Now I'll try ISKCON Nantur, which be our account. That is also connected. Taken up. And that was I go. Daily morning we do once launch meeting. I'll go inside. Again, people will be there is class going on. Krishna Lila. Okay, and then wait a minute. Which one is the other one? Nama, AD, Jeda, Krishna, Gita. It's called facility, no? But that's not connected. Stream keys are not connected. But how did you go live from here? You went with YouTube or with the stream keys? YouTube direct. Not giving the stream keys. है ना? ठीक है. Now what we need to do? Okay. So it works. In one sense it is working. है ना? At least working. Something we need. So now the same concept, what is needed to be done. This will be confusing when 50 teachers have 50 live stream. No? You have to sort out. So we have to make events. Like previously, event and then connect it. है ना? When you make an event and this thing live event, it gives you stream keys, no? Correct? YouTube and connect it. That part. Previous day night, we have to set the whole thing for the next day. है ना? Otherwise, they can directly go if they're not connected the event and then sort it out and take the into video into your playlist like every time you do normally. है ना? Okay, I can do one thing now. But Fidra is also having class now. What is the time? 8:54 is also having class. Also. No, I can even from facility. Wait a minute. It's called facility Zoom. I can take. Guru has also the class now. It's called facility. But nobody is using that. No, hopefully, or they're having a meeting. Let me see. It's called facility. I can do, and that's another one, no, which I use. It's called facility. Okay. And even one more is there. Namadas is there. I can use that also. So we will use two more. Okay, wait a minute. I will try ISKCON facility. ISKCON facility. No, don't worry. Don't worry on that. You are seeing no. What is the issue? The object we will be totally confused what's happening here. Chalo. Now I went in. Nobody is there. Okay, na? Okay, now I'll go live on YouTube. Better I go live on YouTube. but I have control now live on YouTube because I am the see I live on YouTube. I'll go to this one. Which one you are at? Second one, no? Radha Govinda. Radha Govinda. Yeah, I know that. Wait a minute. One more has gone like no, I don't know whether it cancels. But when it works no admins. We'll make everybody an admin, that's it. You have to have five. You can call a meeting tomorrow, teachers. Test. No, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yeah. Only two, third one has not come. I'm live. 3 lives are there. Then it works. No? Then it works. Okay. Okay, chalo. So it's not an issue. Technology works. Okay. Now it has to be further tested with many teachers. You call for this thing. What do you have to do? You make all the teachers admins. What is that? Which email ID? ISKCON Nantur. ISKCON Nantur is already admin there. No, they give them their own admins. Why you want to make all teachers admin?